architect Vaidehi Bagade.
And I'm architect Sumit Bagade. We are the principal architects of SANS and Karvi Design Studios. Our firm is established in 2012 and we are based in Pune and Satara.
We strongly believe in unique and contextual designs which are socio-culturally and environmentally responsible. The submitted entry for small workspace interiors is our own office. So we were the clients and designers at the same time. Designing our own office was challenging and exciting.
Basically, the site was 3 BHK apartment ground floor garden flat and surrounded by residential buildings. Site area is around 2000 square feet and total built up is 1500 square feet. The design is thoughtful of pleasing subtropical weather the city has to offer and takes advantage of its comfortable climate through its play of open and semi-open spaces. The design showcases studio's own ideology of healthy working environment with interactive and interconnected spaces. We have aimed to keep the feel of studio minimalistic and earthy, which interacts with nature. As you can see, there has been an emphasis on creating inward-looking spaces. The previous flat, having a separate road touch entry with the apartment building, was an advantage for us to create interesting entrance space. The inviting front entrance gate and a court is quite subtle yet prominent due to small elements like the leaf imprints in the floor and unique contemporary compound wall showing glimpse of courtyard within while entering. The extended pergola in the entrance courtyard provides a semi-open transmission space between the open and build. Retained Prajakta tree is heart of the entrance courtyard, which peeks through the cutout in the entrance compound wall. The existing trees, Prajakta and Bela on the site have been retained and integrated within the landscape elements of the courtyard. The extended plinth emphasizes the entry into reception and waiting area, overlooking the courtyard. The inviting and captivating front entrance compound wall set a tone for entire office interiors. The low height garage has been covered into pantry space where the metal facade hides the space and focuses users' attention towards the main entry. The earthy theme is seen throughout the interiors, creating a rhythmic flow.
The office looks inward into a central courtyard on northern side, which connects the two cabins, the conference and the staff area.
This open to sky courtyard with a vertical green wall and a water curtain acts as a multifunctional space and also helps to control the temperature along with providing impulse amount of light and ventilation. Green screen hides the rear view of the adjacent building. The courtyard landscape creates an alluring and tranquil environment, and sound of water feature will make one feel close to nature. The pale yellow colored walls, olive sittings and bluish grey Sadam stone complements the contemporary vernacular look of the office. A monochromatic flooring pattern of Sadam stone with 4 different textured finish, river wash, antique, satin, half mirror, half river wash, flows throughout the space. The ceiling has exposed metal fabrication members with cylindrical spotlights and hanging lamp fixtures. 2 main cabins and conference hall are open and well connected through the back courtyard, but if needed, they can get privacy and seclusion from outer chaos of day-to-day activities of the office for creative environment. With a very hectic and busy life of an architect, it was crucial to have a peaceful and creative workspace.